Hi guys, Morah Helene here, and I'm doing a new video on baking. What are we gonna bake today? So we're gonna bake banana bread, which is so fun, and I'm gonna give your moms all the recipes. So if you wanna bake in your house with mommy, you can, and it'll be so much fun and take up a lot of time. So here we go. First, I have the ingredients. We're gonna start with 1/4 cup of flour. I'm gonna get out my measuring cup. And I'm gonna put in 1/4 cup. So if you follow, your mommy could always show you all the numbers on the cup, and she could show you where you should fill it up to.
1,
and then once you
2,
fill it up, we'll pour it in.
3.
So we level it out, shake it around a little, and pour it in. Okay, there's the flour, guys. Next, we're gonna put in the sugar. Okay, here's my sugar. You ready, guys? We're gonna pour in sugar. 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. We'll just put it in here. Mixing up the ingredients, guys. I'm going to show you how we mix it in the end, okay? Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I take out my, it's like a little handy dandy measuring spoon. We fill it up with some, show you, baking soda. We put in 1 teaspoon, and then we pour it in. Okay. After baking soda, we're gonna put in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which I keep my salt in a funny little container. We fill it up halfway, good. Okay. Okay, next after that, we're gonna put in a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So here's a 1/2 cup, guys, see? 1/2 cup, here's my oil, and we're gonna fill it up to the line. Oof, this is heavy, guys. Oh. We put it in, 1/2 cup. I'm gonna pour it into my ingredients. Okay, next, we're gonna put in 2 eggs, because my eggs, in school, usually I would throw the egg and see who catches it, but on the internet, I don't think we could do that, because someone would get full of egg.
Why, it won't go through the screen?
Probably Norma. Should I throw it? Norma, guys?
No,
It's
more Norma to you.
Should I throw it? Okay, she won't let me. We're gonna put in 2 eggs. Usually we put the eggs on the side to make sure that no yolk gets in. So we're gonna crack the egg. Actually, right now I'm gonna put in a cup. 1 minute, let me get a cup, guys. Put in this. Put in this, guys.
Perfect.
Cracked an egg, put it in. Okay, I'll crack a second egg. Because they were now in a shortage of eggs. I got a twin!
Whoa, guys, look, that's good.
No, my egg had two yolks in it.
Wow.
That means I have a twin. It's a good thing I put it on the side. Okay, next. After my eggs, I'm gonna put in my bananas. Now let's get back to the real one. Okay. Guys, this is everything mixed up.
Look at it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Help mix it with mommy.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna put in some bananas. Now that I'm using my hands, I'm going to put on some gloves.
Yeah, stay clean. Be safe. No germs.
I'm gonna put on some gloves. Ah, here go my gloves. There's 1 glove, and it kind of look like a doctor, right, guys?
Oh.
Next, I'm gonna put on another glove. Okay, hold on, here we go. Now we're gonna take a banana. So the banana should be a little bit ripe so that you taste the banana in it.
Oh.
Now, I take off the ends. We're gonna cut it up a little bit, put it in. Okay, take a second banana. You should really put 3 bananas, okay?
Okay.
I'm putting 2 because I don't like it so banana-y, but you could put 3.
3.
Hold on. Okay, now we're gonna put the whole banana in. These bananas are kind of big anyway, so either way, it's good. Okay. Next, okay, now I can take off my gloves. Oof, my banana gloves. Okay. Next, I'm gonna put in some chocolate chips.
Woo!
Who doesn't like chocolate in their banana bread? Make it nice and, how much should we put? Whatever you like.
Nice and sweet.
I'm putting a lot because my kids like it chocolatey. Whoa, I think I might have put a little too much, but
Never too
how
much.
bad could chocolate be? Do you see? Now, way too soon, but it looks like when we mix it up together. Put my blender and my mixer. Okay, cover your ears, it might be loud. Whoa. Mix it up.
it, mix it, mix it.
This is a fun part, but you have to be careful. You don't put your hands near the mixer. Okay. I think it's pretty mixed. What do you think? I'm going to make.
Looks good to me.
Good. I think I'm going to make. I could either make individual ones or one big one. What do you think? Where do you go? Individual or one big one? I'll make one big one.
Yeah, let's go for one big.
So what I do is I put a little bit of parchment paper on the bottom. Parchment paper. Because I just don't think that eating out of aluminum could be too healthy. So put this in first, and then pour it in. Woo! Oh, guys, hold on. Oh,
It's like a ride over here.
hold on. This is a little hard. Wait. Okay, wait. I'm gonna get a spatula. Can you get me the yellow thing in there? Hold on. A minute. See it? No. Back in. Okay, got something so I can take out the rest. There we go. We're gonna get it all out. Get all my chocolate chips. Yummy. Uh-oh, I made a mess, but whatever. We won't eat that part. And it's all going in. And if I had it cooked already, I would show you the final.
Product.
Yeah, the final product.
But maybe you could see what your mom is if you do it at home.
Okay, hold on.
Or daddy.
Okay, now we got a lot of banana bread going on here, guys. Now I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna cook it.
Put it in the oven for PG4 and
My kids are gonna be so happy tonight. Okay, here we go. My final banana bread. Looks messy, but that's what you get for doing it quick. Put it in the oven, and we're good to go. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.